I'm now going to show you the technique of doing an ear twist. You need to decide on how much of the balloon you're going to have on inflated, depending on what you're going to make. I'm just going to leave 7 fingers on inflated. I'm not making anything. I'm just showing you the technique. You can either do a bubble and then an ear twist from the tine end, like right at the end, or you can do this. You can make a bubble. I'm doing 3-finger bubble. Keep hold of this balloon, and I'm going to do a 2-finger bubble. Okay, and then bring the balloon down like so it's touching this part of the balloon, and I'm going to give the 2-finger bubble a twist, and that gives you the ear twist. Yeah, it's called an ear twist because, well, it looks like an ear, like I did on the teddy bear. It also allows you to make shapes like a square. Yeah, like so. Yeah, just need to break off this excess to make the square, and then just be careful with the bit of the balloon that I just broke off so it doesn't fly everywhere. Just tie it round here, and then you've got a square. But you can also, just need to inflate another balloon. You can do an ear twist right at the end of the tying part of the balloon. Do a 2-finger bubble, pull down on the knot, and then twist. You could do another one if you wanted, just as I did with the fish, and that gives you lips. It really is that simple. Thank you for watching.